Hey guys, in this video I'll show you best iOS script special for you, and if you not join my Telegram channel, please join my Telegram channel for next video and next update. Okay, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next video and next update. Okay, and if you not join best binary option broker, link in my description box, simply click sign up and start forex and binary trading. Okay, today market is very bad. Okay, uh, the signal put. Okay, I have trade on this signal. Let's see how the result today on market is a very good script, and if you download this script, link in my description box, simply click and download it. Okay, very simple indicator, very good indicator, and down is market going down. Okay, so let's start trading with this script. Okay, I have placed it on down. Okay, market should be go down. Okay, it's a very good 100% non-repeat script, very good script. Let's see the result. Okay,
me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.